I've never run across this and hope you can be of assistance. These brown spots have appeared in my lawn this year and are covering most of my backyard in patches. There must be easily over 100. Any help will be appreciated. Regards, and this is Roger. Thank you for the pictures, Roger. That is a fungus. It's actually red thread fungus. You have red thread in the spring and in the fall when you have extended periods of wet, cold weather.
Which is exactly, this spring has been one of the coolest and wettest that I can remember in a while.
It has definitely been that, right? And you can also include overcast days, right? So again, this is a fungus, right? It has the red looking mycelium, the tan looking, leaf blades, right? As you can tell from that picture. Here's what we're gonna do. Culturally, guess what? We're gonna fertilize according to the soil test. We're gonna mow at the appropriate height. No need to irrigate right now, right? The ground is wet enough, okay? So those are some of the things that you can do, right? Culturally. Now, if you want to use a fungicide, you can. There are some lawn fungicides out there. Okay, Heritage is one that comes to mind that you can use. Propiconazole, which is Betamax, is another one that you can use, but read and follow the label on those. But I like, again, for chemicals to be the last resort. Cultural practices, right? You might need to aerate.
I was thinking core, you might need to core it. Get some other amendment in the ground to try to have a well-drained area so that, you don't get a lot of standing water. Or water just in the soil itself.
So again, if you do the cultural practices, eventually the fungus will go away. Now, if you're in there and you're trying to mow, of course, you're going to be what? You're going to be spreading.
Don't do that.
The fungus, right? So if you're going to be mowing, you want to make sure you bag, that area and then put that in the trash. I wouldn't even put that in a compost pile.
And then I would spray your mower blades and everything.
Yeah, exactly right.
Wheels.
The fungal spores will be on the wheels, the blades, and things like that. So, again, culturally, it'll take some time. The fungus will go away. But yeah, we can't control, of course, the moisture conditions, from Mother Nature. But just understand that, if you have extended periods of cold, wet weather, and then if you have stresses from too much fertilizer, that could be a problem as well. So that's why I always tell folks, fertilize according to the soil test. Aeration is something else you can do. Irrigate at the appropriate times. You'll be fine, Roger. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.